Well, after a pretty lengthy request for proposal process with probably about 12 or 16 vendors, PageUp elevated themselves to be a provider that was both technologically savvy and had best business processes.
We found PageUp to be exceedingly flexible with us and very supportive. They worked with us to design a process that worked best for Bucknell. So we changed up what they came in with an original plan, and we were able to adjust it slightly to best meet our needs. I think one of the initial things that we were hoping to get out of, that we are getting out of PageUp is a better end user experience, both for our applicants that are applying as well as for our hiring managers and search committees that are using the system often.
And even for the recruitment consultants as well, although, our customers come first, and everybody so far has had a positive influence in some aspect of efficiency or effectiveness or just better service overall.
Very supportive.
And I would say flexible. Just again, as Brandy said, working together and making sure that our system and PageUp are working in the best manner to meet all of the needs that we have.
And in that same vein, I think we could use words like collaborative and problem solving to combine into those stories as well.
And I think I'd add as a final responsive, because generally when we do have questions, we hear something very quickly with a status update or again with a solution to a question or a problem that we have.
I think we overall really enjoy the fact that it is so user-friendly. The system has been incredible for us to both pick up and learn, as well as for our users to learn. And by users, we mean the applicants that are using the system. We get a lot of really positive feedback from them on how easy it is for them to become candidates in our searches. It's a lot easier for our search committees to be able to access the information they need, as well as our hiring managers who are working closely with our HR team on really getting this information in the system.
Just knowing that there's a lot more that we have to look forward to in the system. So, things that we haven't yet had a chance to do, such as the surveys and more report writing and data analysis, because that was another thing that was important to us, is having good data. And the longer we use the system, we'll have actually the data to pull. So we're looking forward to a lot of the features that we haven't yet had time to really develop. Well, certainly the mobile technology for our applicants and end users, but it's also allowed our recruitment consultants to spend more time by having some efficiencies that they can now spend more time with their customers, different hiring managers, to do more strategic recruiting so that they're not so locked into the tasks of managing the system. And people no longer have to do things just for the sake of the system requires a step. They have that flexibility. We have flexibility in designing it so that our processes make sense instead of the other way around, being driven by the system.